Hello, and welcome to today's video on thermodynamics. In this video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of energy, heat, and temperature. So, what exactly is thermodynamics? It's a branch of physics that deals with the study of energy and its transformations. Thermodynamics is all about understanding how energy flows and changes from one form to another. To start, let's talk about the three laws of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics, also known as the law of energy conservation, states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only go from one form to another. The second law of thermodynamics, also known as the law of entropy, states that in any energy transformation, some energy will inevitably be wasted in the form of heat that flows into the environment. Finally, the third law of thermodynamics states that as the temperature of a system approaches absolute zero, the entropy of the system approaches a minimum. Now, let's talk about temperature. The temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a system. The more energy the particles have, the higher the temperature of the system. Heat is the transfer of energy from one system to another due to a difference in temperature. Heat always flows from a high-temperature system to a low-temperature system until both systems reach thermal equilibrium. Next, let's talk about entropy. Entropy is a measure of the disorder or randomness of a system. The second law of thermodynamics states that entropy always increases over time. This means that the natural tendency of a system is to move towards greater disorder or a state of maximum entropy. Finally, let's talk about thermodynamic cycles. A thermodynamic cycle is a series of energy transformations that repeat over and over again. The most well-known thermodynamic cycle is the Carnot cycle, which is the most efficient cycle possible. That's a brief overview of thermodynamics. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. A strong professional network can have a huge impact on the career and business opportunities that come your way.